How to monitor your CPU and GPU temperature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can monitor your CPU and GPU temperature. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step. What you'll need to do. First, what you'll need to do is open up your task manager. So you can search for your task manager here, or you can right click on this Windows icon, start, and then simply tap on task manager. So whatever you do, open up your task manager, and there we go. On your task manager, you can see on the left side multiple options and sections. Head over to performance. Under performance, you can find your CPU and GPU. So if you tap on the CPU option right here, you can see its speed, processes, and everything. If you do the same for GPU, it's the same as well. And on the GPU, you can find the temperature itself. There you can see other options as well. And yeah, that's basically how you find your CPU and GPU temperature. And that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.